Now guys, I'd like to say thank you for over 1 million new subscribers in 2018, and that's why I will give you something back today, a giveaway. I will give 2 subscribers of Wirte Test this PS4 Spiderman edition. Look at that guys, it's completely new. And yes, what you have to do is first step, like this video, then subscribe Wirte Test and make sure that your notification clock is on. Third step is like Wirte Test on Instagram and on Facebook. And the last point is write a comment with the words "pick me." Do all the steps and then you are able to win a PS4 Spider-Man edition. Good luck to everyone, and now I will continue with this experiment. I'm so excited. Guys, as always, thumbs up from you, Crash Test.